Compound interest is a financial concept that can have a profound impact on your wealth over time. Essentially, it's interest earned on both the principal amount you invest and the interest you earn on that amount over time. This means that as your investments grow, the interest earned on those investments also grows, leading to a snowball effect of compounding returns. By investing early, you give your money more time to grow and benefit from compound interest. For example, a small investment made in your 20s can grow into a much larger sum by the time you retire thanks to the power of compounding. However, it's important to note that not all investments are created equal, and investing always involves some degree of risk. That's why it's crucial to do your research and choose investments wisely to maximize the benefits of compound interest. In the end, investing early and taking advantage of compound interest can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom over the long term. One of the most important benefits of compound interest is the ability to accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Even small amounts of money invested regularly can grow into significant sums over time, thanks to compounding. For example, by investing just $100 per month over 30 years, you could accumulate over $100,000 assuming an annual return of 7%. The longer your money has to grow, the more you'll benefit from the power of compound interest. Another advantage of investing early is the ability to weather market fluctuations and ride out short-term volatility. Over the long term, the stock market has historically delivered strong returns, but there can be significant ups and downs along the way. By starting to invest early, you give your portfolio more time to recover from any temporary downturns and take advantage of long-term growth opportunities. Finally, investing early can also give you greater flexibility and financial security over the long term. By building a solid investment portfolio early on, you'll have more options later in life, whether it's to retire early, travel the world, or start a new business. The power of compound interest can help you achieve your financial goals and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. In summary, compound interest is a powerful tool for building wealth over time, and investing early is the key to maximizing its benefits. By starting to invest early and choosing your investments wisely, you can accelerate your wealth-building efforts, weather market fluctuations, and enjoy greater financial freedom in the years to come. So, don't delay. Start investing today and take advantage of the power of compound interest to change your life for the better. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the most powerful force in the universe, and for good reason. The concept is incredibly powerful when it comes to building wealth over time. Even small differences in the rate of return can make a big difference when it comes to compound interest. For example, if you invest $10,000 at an annual rate of return of 5%, you'll have nearly $16,500 after 10 years. However, if you earn a 7% annual return instead, you'll have over $19,500 after 10 years. One of the keys to taking advantage of compound interest is to start investing early. For example, if you start investing just $100 per month at age 25 and continue for 40 years, you could have over $300,000 saved up by age 65, assuming an annual return of 7%. Another important factor to consider when it comes to compound interest is the impact of fees and expenses. Even seemingly small fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to choose investments with low expenses and fees. Compound interest can also be a powerful tool for paying down debt. By making extra payments on high-interest debt, you can reduce the amount of interest you owe over time and pay off your debt faster. Finally, it's worth noting that the power of compound interest can work both ways. If you're carrying high-interest debt or making poor investment choices, you could be compounding your losses over time. That's why it's important to make informed financial decisions and choose investments wisely. In conclusion, compound interest is a fascinating and powerful concept that can have a big impact on your financial future. By understanding how it works and taking advantage of its benefits, you can build wealth, pay off debt, and achieve your financial goals over time. So, start investing early, choose your investments wisely, and watch the power of compound interest work its magic for you.